Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you step by step how you can use Freeshow. So in the moment when you are going to download it, you will see this. So how the whole process works and what you can actually see here. Now on the left side you're going to find projects. So this is where you can click here new project, and I can write here a Sunday project. Okay. And now, as you can see, we have the Sunday project, and in the Sunday project, I can create a new show. So when I would click here, a new show, I can write here, let's say, my playlist, or just like you, just name the new show like Sunday. And then you can have a category, which you would have like presentation, or you can have it as a song, that's like, or even a new category. And then you can have like quick lyrics where you are going to paste the text, or you can click here web search, where you can click and it's going to show you the lyrics. So you can actually check here for the songs, or what you can do is that you can just like click here new show, and this is what you're gonna got here. So I will just like delete it and I will show you. Remove. New show, Sunday show, and I'm going to click here empty show. Okay, and as you can see, we have right now like nothing here. Now how it works then is that on the bottom you are going to find your show, also like the media that you can add to your show, for example as a background, audio files. So if you have audio files like, let's say, microphones, audio streams, you can have like folders, like for example the music here, overlays that you can add, templates whereas that you can even like add to your slides, scripture, and I will show you like how it works. So then you're gonna have the calendar and functions. So that's, for example, how you're just going to take it and paste it here to the slides. Now on the right side you will be able to see for example some information here, and I'm just going to show you how it works. So when I'm going to click here new slide, what happens? So in the moment when you would create a new slide, automatically you went from show to edit. To go back always to the show and to kind of like what show you have there, you're going to click show, where you're going to find the slides. So I'm just going to click here on edit, and voila, here we are. So in the moment when you are going to be here, on the right side, you are going to find that you can add a text, you can add a media, website, timer, clock, all these things. How you're going to do it is going to press text, and voila, here you got a text. And you have plenty of settings for the text on how you can change it, like the align, bold, italic, font size, all those things, right? So that's how it works. Now I can like delete it, and then let's say I can add a timer, or I can add a clock, like what is the time. I can add a progress, I can add a weather, right? So, or like you can even add an icon, and that's something you can also do, right? So that's something you can do. So let's say I can add like a text box, then I can click on items here, and I can add a visualizer, and then I can click again on items here, and I can add an icon, right? So this is how you're gonna add like multiple things there. Now I want to show you something regards, let's say I'm going to delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. I can click here on a scripture, and let's say let there be light. Okay, and what you're gonna take, you can always take it and you can add it to the slide, right? So you're gonna take it and add it to the slide, and voila, here we got it. Like it added a new slide for us. And then let's say that I want to have an overlay, so you're gonna take here the overlay, and again you can add it. So I'm going to add it right here, and voila, here we have the overlay, right? And let's say you can like edit it again, and this is, for example, of what you are gonna have, the name, the Sunday above. Or I can add like recording here. Let me show you, edit. Okay, I can add like a recording. And right now it's recording there. So this is something that you can do. So that's how it's possible to done it. So yeah. And then let's say that you want to add a background. So let's say I'm here, I'm in media, and I can like drop it here, right? And it's automatically gonna, like, this is just from the Minecraft. Then I can add an item. I can add a text box over it. This is a text box. I can add an item. I can add also like a visualizer. Then I can come here and I can add, I don't know, some overlay, watermark, or clock ticking, right? And then when you're gonna click stage here, right? In a stage, you can create a stage output and you can like play around with it, right? So this is just like an example. Edit, let's go to edit. And here you guys like, okay, so this is what you can actually see. We have this one right here, and then we have the Genesis right here. Now, what I don't know is, for example, how to delete this part here. So I want to like delete this one, but I'm unable to do it. So for example, this is where I see a little bit of limitations because like, right, it's like I don't know how to like delete that. Because the text is possible to delete. So this is where you need to like play around with it. Yeah, and I'm unable to delete that. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it provided a little bit of value, but I'm like a little bit stuck here, to be honest. Then you can have stage where you can like actually see that. So yeah, it's a free tool, so you get kind of like limitations. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit. And have a great day and good